talk to her.
Mrs. Proctor, we're about to execute your husband. I'm on your side. If this man dies, I'm responsible. Just listen to me.
What do you want from me?
Mrs. Proctor, I've been trying to do the right thing for 3 months.
Don't you ever say I just walked away.
What are you talking about?
It's a lie!
I'm not listening. Don't make the same mistakes I did. I came in here thinking I was perfect.
Touch that track, it turns into gold.
And everyone I beg you, just try to talk to your husband. He'll go to hell for lying, but just try to get him to confess.
Just give me a reason.
We are all,
Spider Pig.
and we will not read his will.
Do you understand what's going on? Your husband is going to die. Are you even listening? Do you even have a heart? You know what? Just get her out of here.
Get out of your mind!
No, I'll do it! I'll do it!
Are you going to confess? Are you going to get him to confess?
I'll do it. No promises, but I'll try.
Oh, Lordy, Lordy, Lordy.
Just get out of here.
I don't know my life.
Why is everyone dancing?
Okay, so after the...
No,
Okay, it's gonna be like... Get out.
And then it's gonna be so funny.
Stop it.
Like,